Kwa ihinda Kenya makoretwo mari hatikaini ya kuhinyiririo ni thogora wa iguru hari irio. Thogora wa mutu wa ngima ukioneka gukorwo riguo ramaikitie irima-ini ria hathara kuria mbagiti ya kiro igiri ya mutu uyu irakinyirie makiria ya ciringi 200. Kumana na undu uyu, thirikari ni yambiriirie miario na thii ya mutu guku bururi-ini. Riu miario ya thiko 4 gatagati ga thirikari na kambuni cia guthia mutu ikioneka guciara maciaro. President Uhuru Kenyatta akianirira kugwa gwa thogora wa mutu na makiria ya ciringi 100 hari mbagiti ya kiro igiri.
Maize flour shall retail across the entire territory of the Republic of Kenya at the price of Kenya shillings 100, down from Kenya shillings 205 for a 2 kg packet until otherwise directed.
President Kenyatta niyaniriire kweheria kwa igoti riria rithiaga hari ukuria wa reri riria ririhagwo ni athii ya mutu. Undu umwe na igoti riria rihagio kambuni iria ciagura mbembe kuma nja ya bururi riwikinya riri rigitanyo kunyihia garama ya uthondeki wa mutu.
My administration has been engaging for the last few days with all milling companies registered by the Agricultural Food Authority, and as a consequence issued a legal notice under the hand of the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury.
Ikinya riri ni rikenereirwo ni Kenya aria mauma na maya makuga.
Nashukuru kwa sababu ya kujitolea kama rais wa nchi kushughulikia jambo hilo, maana unga ni muhimu kwa kila Mkenya.
Unapata 300, unanunua unga 200, unaenda na 100 nyumbani. Sasa tumeshukuru sana bila.
Nilikuwa na sombili yangu ndio hii nilikuwa naenda kuchukua, lakini vile nimeona breaking news ni 100. Sasa hii naoja ni unga 2 bwana.
Hindi ya gikaro giki wagi wa mbura ya kuigana ni ugwetetwo ta undu munene uria ukoretwo ucungiriirie wagi wa mbembe cia kuigana, undu uria muthia wambatagiria thogora wa mutu kuona kambuni ici icungagiririo kugura mbembe kuma nja ya bururi.
The government also suspended fees and levies that include KEFIS and KEBS, testing fee, inspection fee, permit fee on all imported maize grain and raw materials for animal feeds for a period of 4 months with effect from 1st July 2022.
Ningĩ president yoritie kambuni cia uthii wa mutu kwaga gukorokera faida guku akimoria kuoya ithenya ria gucayagira Kenya aria ni aguria mutu.
They have their rights and responsibilities as corporate citizens, and they must enjoy their market rights to make profits. But I do hope and pray that they should also exercise a corresponding social responsibility.
Kuna thogora wa mutu ukoretwo te kuma tunua-ini twa ateti, riu president nioritie miaho yothe ya kiuteti kwaga kuhura uteti na undu uyu, akiuga gwika uguo ni kunyururia mucayo wa Kenya.
The political class and government to exercise high civic responsibility, and to this end I invite all of them to join the community not of mourners or grumblers, even when you serve in government.
Hadu ni Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.